everyone, I'm your health coach Dr. Dakshita from Health Fountain. Welcome back to all. Welcome back to my episode. I hope you're all doing good. So today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, why to check signs and symptoms caused by diabetes. So sign and symptoms. Today I am going to discuss about what are the signs, what are the symptoms caused by different type of diabetes and why it is important to check at regular basis or to check at intervals, and why it is important to treat them also. So let's start with this. First, I will go with type 1 diabetes. There are three type of diabetes as I discussed in my previous videos. So today is type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes and gestational diabetes. What are their signs and symptoms and why we have to worried about that? If we're worried about our early signs and symptoms, it may cause severe complications. And what severe complications? I will tell you early signs. These signs are found in both type of diabetes type 1 and diabetes type 2. So these are like fatigue. Fatigue means you are tired from the normal, like you are more tired, you are hunger, excessive hunger, you feel very much hunger, peeing more often than normal. Normal healthy people pee more 5 to 7 times in a day, but the diabetic people will pee more. Increased thirst. As you peeing more, you will increase it, definitely increase your thirst also. Next, third point is dry mouth. You will feel dry. There is a dry mouth. As you are increased thirst and you peeing more, it will automatically dry mouth and itchy skin. As your body is not moisturized anymore because of the early signs, so it is dry itching skin. Blur vision. You start seeing blur vision, like there is a blur vision. So these are the early signs and symptoms. This is in both type of diabetes. You must notice them. If any one of symptom you see, or you any one or two symptoms you see in your daily routine life, you must go visit to a doctor for your blood sugar levels and your cholesterol levels and your BP levels. You should must for your health. Now I would go with the symptoms. Next, with the symptoms. So what are the symptoms? Type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. So type 1 diabetes symptom is unplanned weight loss. You will see a very weight loss, unplanned weight loss. You will see loss in your body, and it is suddenly there is a weight loss in your body. Next, nausea feeling, vomiting feeling, headache, sleepiness. These are the type 1 symptoms. You will see if any of these symptoms, you must visit doctor. Now type 2 diabetes symptoms. Type 2 diabetes symptoms include slow healing process, cuts and pains. So if you have any cut or if you have any ulcer, it will be slow healing process due to slow blood circulation, as I explained in my previous video. Next, you will feel pain, numbness, tingly. You will feel pain in your feet, in your body. You will feel numbness in your body. And is yeast infection. You will find yeast infection where your body, your skin laps and moisturize, like under the breast, in your groins or armpits. You will feel yeast infection because of moisturizer. There will be yeast infection. So there are the symptoms of type 2 diabetes, and type 2 diabetes have very vast symptoms. Okay, so of type 2 diabetes, if you see any of symptoms type 2 diabetes, you must visit your doctor. Now third is gestational diabetes. As I already told about, gestational diabetes is diabetes in normal people. It cannot occur in only in pregnant ladies. It occurs. So there is no so much symptoms in this diabetes. You will feel thirst than normal and you will pee more often, and there is a high blood sugar level. So the pregnant women check their blood sugar level twice in a week for protect from a diabetes, gestational diabetes. So these are the symptoms and signs I discussed, which one person should check in his daily routine life. If any of symptoms and signs you feel, you must visit your doctor for regular checkups. So next, I would like to discuss very important point, that type 1 diabetes signs and symptoms occurs early. Like type 2 diabetes symptoms don't occur quickly. Type 1 sign and symptoms diabetes occur very quickly, and you must don't ignore them. You must treat them. And type 2 diabetes symptoms do not occur early, as they occur when there are severe complications starts. They occur symptoms late, and that time if you don't treat properly, it goes to be severe complications. So this is the important thing I have discussed. Now, why it is important to check signs and symptoms? Now let's discuss few points on this. If you don't check signs and symptoms of diabetes, what will happen to you? these symptoms will go worse, the signs will go worse, and it will cause severe complications, like you have to suffer from heart disease, you have to go through kidney failure, eye infection, foot problems, as I have make a previous video on a foot problems. So you can suffer from foot problem also, and it is very common. Now you can suffer from nerve damage also. So try from decrease the risk of this severe complication. You must check your signs and symptoms properly. You must don't neglect it. Take your medications, do exercise, eat healthy food, and try to try for body checkups once in a month. Every healthy person should also go for a body checkup once in a month, like if you have any other disease rather than diabetes. But now I'm talking about diabetes, so people should not neglect these signs and symptoms. These signs and symptoms are very important. So today this was the video about why to check and sign symptom caused by diabetes. So now, like my video, just hit the like button, tell me in the comment section, give me some advice or give me some questions, ask me some questions and give me some advice on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Stay safe.